Hi, my name's Hannah Kelly. Today's February 21st, 2020. I'm going to talk about the endocrine system and the thyroid in particular. So a specialist that works with the endocrine would be an endocrinologist, and a surgical specialty would be an endocrine surgeon. The thyroid is anterior to the neck between the C5 and T1 vertebrae. The thyroid is posterior to the parathyroid gland, and the hyoid artery is superior to the thyroid. Some of the main anatomical functions or structures of the thyroid are the T4 and T3, which are the thyroxine and the tridothyronine, which produce and regulate the hormones, adrenaline or epinephrine and dopamine. Also, another anatomical structure is the pituitary gland, which without the pituitary gland producing TSH, which is thyroid stimulating hormone, no hormones through the thyroid would be produced. So without the pituitary gland and the TSH, the thyroid wouldn't produce hormones. And um, the main function of the thyroid is to produce hormones. And it's a gland. It helps with metabolism and helps regulate many of the body's functions, and specifically metabolism. So if you notice someone maybe that has hypo or hyperthyroid might have difficulty losing weight, or because they keep gaining weight because their thyroid is not regulating their metabolism, which is turning their food and calories into energy. So those are some signs of hypothyroid and hyperthyroid.